Today, I'll show you how to share a Microsoft Planner board so other people can see it, work on tasks, and easily get back to it later. We'll cover two main things: how to add new members to your plan and how to share a direct link to the board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring the right people in and help them find the board quickly. Let's start with adding new members to a plan. This is what you do when you want someone to be able to see the board, edit tasks, and be assigned work. First, open your plan in Microsoft Planner. You can do this from the Planner web app or from within Microsoft Teams if the plan is added to a channel. Make sure you're in the correct plan, especially if you work with multiple boards, because the people you add here will get access to everything in this particular plan. Once your plan is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the members option. It's usually near your profile picture and the plan's name. Click on members to open the list of people who already have access. To add someone new, start typing their name or their email address into the box that appears. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, Planner will try to match names from your directory as you type. When you see the correct person in the list, click on their name, then click invite to add them to the plan. As soon as they're added, they'll have full access to the board. That means they can see all the tasks, create new ones, move tasks between buckets, and mark them complete. They'll also receive notifications for any tasks that you or others assign to them. This makes it much easier for them to stay on top of what they're responsible for without having to constantly check the board manually. Now, let's look at the second method, sharing a link to the board. This is especially useful if someone is already a member of the group behind the plan, but they just can't seem to find the board. It's also handy when you want to drop a quick shortcut into an email or a chat. At the top of your plan, next to the plan's title, there's a small arrow pointing down. Click that arrow to open the plan menu. In that menu, select Copy Link to Plan. When you click this, Planner will create a direct link to the board and copy it to your clipboard. From there, you can paste that link wherever it's most convenient. You might put it into an email, share it in a Microsoft Teams message, or add it to a document or wiki page. Anyone who already has access to the plan can simply click the link and jump straight into the board without having to search for it. Keep in mind, if someone who is not a member clicks this link, they won't be able to see the board right away. Instead, they'll see a request access screen. That's Planner's way of protecting your information. They can submit a request, and then you or another owner can decide whether to add them as a member using the same steps we went through earlier. And that's it. You now know how to share your Microsoft Planner board by inviting new members and by sending a direct link so people can find it quickly and start collaborating.